call them strip walkers. Hip showing butter daddy, cut things soft top, hard top, truck kick.
Come on, man, Mark Will, man, I'm buying up Alabama. Mark Will, I'm buying up Alabama right now. Yeah, man, heading up out of Alabama right now. Next stop, Dallas, Texas, man. Still moving and grooving. Road trip style.
Dressing like chicks, the bubble still bounce. Out. Just got a paper cut on my finger. New money right in front of her. Let these niggas live a petty life. Probably getting to the script every night. It's the pop, it's the fact. Cleaner than the biz off of the showroom at a risk. They love the way we spit these raps. You can copy.
Mississippi River. Louisiana just touched Louisiana state line right here. Mississippi River right there. I mean, we in Delhi, Louisiana. I think that's how you pronounce it. Man, just met this old, look at her, old sweet lady over there. She told me I better get on some of this southern food they got going on up in here. So let me get a little something. Got me a little couple pieces of chicken, man, a little cabbage. She said, you better try it because it's good. I said, yeah, okay, lady. Okay, pretty good. Making good timing until you run into some stuff like this. Car wrecks and ooh-wee. Dallas, Texas for you. Looking for her. Man, this dude right here, man. Look at this cat, man. Damn, man. What's up, dude?
Cooking my dog some food.
Damn, man.
Cooking my dog some food.
This nigga, man, got the Coca-Cola. This nigga cooking. Look at him. You, that's for your dog or you?
That's for my dog, man.
Hey, what Samuel Jackson say?
You dog, man.
They got dog food but no dog in this mug. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, dog?
Had to come through, man.
Man, this dude,
This dude right here, man.
He ain't let me roll with you, dog.
This dude right here, man. First spot, man, I had to come through, man. Holla at V, man. You heard what I'm saying? V the sock guy. Man, V the sock guy, man. Hey, I had to make me my first stop, man. I had to come holler at V. Man, we about to go. Where we going?
Ecstasy.
Ecstasy. They popping tonight?
Every night.
On a Sunday?
Every night.
And we going, man. I'm going with you, man. What's up?
Actually, DG is one of them motherfuckers.
You got a little change for me? I think I got a couple out.
I can give you 12 out of 32.
12 on 32. What on what?
I'll give you 12 out of 32.
12 out of 32 what?
Dollars.
But the math ain't adding up.
I'm gonna give you 12. I got 32, I'm gonna give you 12.
And on what?
To spend at the club.
You gonna give me $12 to spend at the club?
Hell yeah.
But damn, I'm in your town, man. What's happening?
You got mouthpiece, boy.
You ain't post no video today. What's up with this? Alright, I'ma hang with you. We going to the club. I'm getting to morning. I'm going in the morning. I'm gonna get the kids. What's up? Man, matter of fact, where your socks at? What's up, man? What socks you got on today?
What's up, guys? Yeah.
Fruit Loops, boy. Toucan Sam. Follow me nose to the sock game. Follow me nose to the sock game.
And what them look like, mom? Man, these mine?
Nah, these ain't no size 7s, boy. This is grown man size right here.
Man, get busy, man. Hang with him, man. I'm trying to go to the titty bar. So we gonna ride it out like that, man. Catch y'all on the next one.
I sent you my cash out, man. A few times, man. One time I was the only one that commented on that motherfucker and still ain't get shit on my shit. That shit a fluke. Hey.
Hey, you gotta subscribe. You ain't subscribed.
I'm a subscriber. I gotta unsubscribe and then subscribe.
You gotta
again.
unsubscribe, subscribe. And it's a whole lot of stuff you gotta go through this.
Man, I subscribe, I share, I comment it. God, what the hell else I need to do?
You didn't share it.
I did.
You share it on all your social media platforms?
I only got 2.
What? Which ones?
Yeah,
You got like all of them. You got Facebook, you got you got what's that what's that shit?
Facebook,
Snapchat.
IG.
You got Twitter.
So how you gonna know it?
Cause I know you. Cause you ain't did it. I checked all yours and you ain't did shit I asked you to do.
I subscribe to your shit, man. This
You
shit
supposed to tell the strippers.
Hey, he ain't gonna give y'all no cash out. He ain't gonna give y'all no.
Hey. Come on, babies. Oh, picked up the babies. Y'all ready to roll?
No.
You gotta quit cry, baby. Well, got a long drive. How long we got?
8 hours.
Yup. So get ready. Go to sleep, put in your headphones. Let's move and groove. Well, look at the scenery.
It's 12:33.
So if it's 11:33 and we got 8 hours, what time should we be in Kansas City?
7:33.
Yup. 7:33.
We're gonna be around by 7:33.
Let's talk to Slam on them and they go to sleep. Now we was jamming NBA Youngboy all the way back to something. Look at it. What time is it?
I got goals to reach, stroking seats and somewhere out in the country with a coach. She got that brain that I remember.
What time we leave?
Shoot a barbecue and I tell them smoke away from cooking out.
What was it, 11:30?
11:33.
What we do? What was it, 8 hours? What we do?
It took a long time to get it established. Penthouses lavish, be whatever, but just don't ever
What, made it in 7?
Hop up by my bed and throw my jewelry on.